like to make our presentation today. By name Abraham Yun Ngongdeng, with my friend who will introduce his name.
Okay, my name is Aldanta Kusuma, and today I will first present introduction of Morandi Bridge. This, and you can see here, this is the picture of Morandi Bridge that has collapsed. And on August 14, 2018, the Morandi Bridge in Genoa, in Italy, from the specific nation collapsed over the Polsevera River, causing 43 deaths and economic damage that will take years to repair. Autostrada per Italia managed this bridge, the construction of which was completed in 1967, sorry, and was designed to last at least 100 years, with a length of 1,102 meters and an average height over the valley of 56 meters. The Morandi Bridge consists of 11 spans of different length from 65 to 208 meters and 12 pylons on which they rested. The deck of the bridge was 18 meters wide with 4 lanes for traffic to in each direction. From we can read in this slide, we can assume that Morandi Bridge is so much big. Yes, from the picture is we can see that the ruins of the bridge is as high as the building beside the bridge. Oh, then we continue. The collapse occurred in one of the three main spans that overcome the Polsevera River, the railway park, and some important arteries of the city, which are the only cable stayed section of the main viaduct. The section were built with the balance system, in which each span of almost 210 meter long consists of cantilevered beams suspended 86 meter on both sides of the axis of the piles and supported at their end by a double system of pre-stressed steel pre-stressed steel pre-stressed steel cable passing over a trestle positioned at the top of the mast. At the end of these beams, 36-meter long cantilever sections are supported in a similar way as in the shorter spans. Maybe we are curious about how how can this big bridge, Morandi Bridge, that uh, almost 210 meter long, is can collapse. How about your opinion, Abraham? Maybe you know about how this Morandi Bridge collapse or something. The uh, the apa?
That lead
The yes, the
the
reason maybe.
reason, yeah,
Yes.
you are very right. Yeah, thank you so much, my brother, my colleague Aldi. Actually, the bridge have a lot of reason why to collapse, and I will start by saying, in absence of the publication of the official report by the Italian Minister of Transport, the preliminary report and the different studies carried out by the expert agree that the main reason that caused the collapse was the loss of one of cable due to corrosion, which lost its resistant section up to its breakage. So the main reason was due to the loss of cable to corrosion, which was less resistant to section up to the breakage. So that was the first reason. Second reason, the structural material used reinforced it and for stresses concrete and for stresses cable has been subjected to degradation of their characteristic due to the effect of atmospheric and promiscuity of the marine environment, which influence the resistant capacity of the bridge. That was the two reasons. The second reason was the atmospheric and promiscuity of the marine environment, which influenced the resistance of the capacity of the bridge. Third point, it was the cause of bridge to collapse was the failures of gasket plate at the connection of L11 and U10, which well agree that the field investigation of the collapse bridge, that was the main reason. Also, the third reason was gas plate, which was lost into connection at L11 and U10. That was the third reason. The fourth reason, under the design thickness of the plate, the corrosion and overloading due to traffic and construction load at the time of collapse were the reason for the bridge to collapse. So these are the main four reasons why the bridge was collapsed. And to prevent this, the reason for us to collapse, to control the effect or the collapse of the bridge as followed. Maybe I will ask you, what do you think, Mr. Aldi? What do you think, what are the solutions for us to solve the collapse of Madurian Bridge? Not to happen anytime or not to happen again, to damage the property of the people and to kill some people. So what do you think, what are the solutions for us to solve this problem? Back to you, bro.
Okay. I think for what have you uh, grab what the reason for the collapse of the Morandi Bridge. I get the point. Maybe for the future we can prevent. We make the mitigation for the
Yeah,
future. Yes,
yes, yeah,
yes. The possible mitigation. Possible mitigation reason which prevent the collapse of Morandi Bridge in the future. Maybe the increasing aging of the bridge together with the technical imitation presented by the evaluation and surveillance through visual inspection and single localized tests on the structure make it necessary to change the paradigm in order to guarantee the global stability and security of this construction structure from now on. Therefore, the collapse of the Morandi Bridge should be considered a wake-up call. Infrastructure managers need to move forward a smart asset management strategy that improves overall network performance in terms of reliability, security, and efficiency. This strategy involves driving the maintenance of fixed infrastructure assets from a watch and read approach to failure to a predict and prevent strategy. In this sense, the implementation of a structural health monitoring system that allows diagnosing structural health continuously and in real time should be the standard to be implemented in each breed. Our innovative methodology is not only capable of identifying, quantifying, and locating visible and non-visible damage to the structure, but it also capable of evaluating the influence of this damage on the overall stability of the structure and predicting its evolution, being able to estimate the remaining useful life. Okay,
yes.
I will.
Actually, you are answered my question, and that is the main point of way we can solve the problem of Madurian bridge to collapse by installing the system structural monitoring system to maintain or to diagnose the structural fault and capable identifying the problem which lead to the collapse of bridge. So thank you so much. You answered the question, and I hope our presentation is perfect, and I wish for us to go ahead. Thank you.
Thank you very much,
Yeah,
and thank you for all friends who watched this presentation, for lectures. Thank you very much. We wait for the good response, the building response for us. Thank you
yeah.
very much. Maybe this is from us. This all from us.
And we would like to stop here. Thank you so much. Thanks.
Okay. Thank you.